প্রিয় বন্ধুরা, গোপা চক্রবর্তী গ্রিন হাউস কলকাতা থেকে এসে গেছি আজ আবার অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল শাড়ির সম্ভার নিয়ে আপনাদের জন্য। দেখুন আজকে কী কী এনেছি, অ্যান্ড লট অফ মিক্স ব্যাগ, নানা রকম জিনিস এনেছি আজকে আমি। এখন দেখুন ভালো লাগে। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 দেখাই, শুরু করি। পরিস্থিতি তো বহির দিনের, অত ইন্ট্রাকশন আর দিলাম না। এটা আমরা রেশম কোটাতে করেছি, আর একটু আজরাকের এটা এজিংটা আজরাক দিয়ে একটা বর্ডার টেনেছি। দেখুন লাভলি এজিং উইথ আজরাক প্রিন্ট, অ্যান্ড এগুলো সবই হ্যান্ডলুম ক্লথ, সো ইট ইজ নট অ্যাডিং টু দ্য ওয়েট। আমি সবসময় এই কথাটা আমার শাড়ির জন্য বলি, কোনো হেভিনেস লাগবে না শাড়িগুলো পরে। ভেরি বিউটিফুল, অ্যান্ড লুক এট দিস। এগুলো সমস্ত কিন্তু আমাদের আড়ির কাজ হয়েছে। সুন্দর শাড়িটা হয়েছে, অ্যান্ড এতেও দেখুন অনেকগুলোই মোটিভস দেওয়া আছে দামান সেকশনে নিচের দিকে। লাভলি মোটিভস, অ্যান্ড দেখুন আমাদের শিল্পীদের কাজ কত সুন্দরভাবে করে ওরা। ভেরি কমফোর্টেবল, এগুলো সারা সিজন ইউজ হয় আমাদের রেশম কোটা, অ্যান্ড ইউ গিভেন আ লাভলি আজরাক ব্লাউজ। এটাই লোভনীয়, এটা অনেক শাড়ির সঙ্গে ইউজ করতে পারবে। সো ভেরি নাইস। 2800 ডিয়ার, 2800 গোয়িং। Oh, this is one more winter color, bright and beautiful. Very সুন্দর। Same ajrak border has been used all throughout. The piping, lining, jai bolun. And these motifs are so beautiful. And very many inside. অনেকগুলো রয়েছে এখানে দেখুন। So many of them. And this has made it a real smart look. এটা দিয়ে এটা পরলেই খুব সুন্দর লাগবে। This is the one. 2800 dear. And this piece, this has a paisley, I remember. This is the paisley. Yeah, this is the paisley work. এই কলকাগুলো দেখুন। The paisley work on a tute resham kota. This is styled like this, and again the same kind of border for the sari, and at the second part of the sari we have given a few more paisleys, blue and pink matching is beautiful. Fashion korun ei sob shari pore, beautiful sarees. 2800 dear for this kind of BP. It's a soft material, you can make it into a very smart blouse. 2800 dear. And these are little dressy, jara ekটু fashion korte chan, the moderate budget. So I thought I will collect these sarees and show you. একটু গ্রিন হাউসের মতন করে, গ্রিন হাউসের স্টাইলে I collected these sarees and I thought I'll show you a lovely piece, smart piece. এগুলো পরুন, এগুলোতে খুব ভালো লাগছে। This is within 4000 3,960. 3,960, but it is giving a party look. Beautiful आंचल, देखो बनारसी आंचल. And the wonderful thing is the blouse section. Oh, so very beautiful, so gorgeous. Oh, I love. Actually, I thought I will be able to bring these sarees, and yesterday we got this parcel, so I like the sarees. This is going for only 3,960. Onusthane porun, it will give a nice look. 3,960 for this material. Hey, all the combinations are so stunning, amazing. এত ভালো লেগেছে আমার. Look at this saree for 3,960 from Greenhouse. This is the one with bandhani, and they are all woven bandhani, dear. This is weaving. This is all weaving done up. These are all weaving, and there's a Banarsi Aachal. Created it so beautifully, so artistically. Look at this blouse section. All of them are beautiful. Look at this. Yesterday only we got this parcel and I was happy. Look at this. For a wedding evening, you can use this saree. 3,960 only. Bandhej. All of them are beautiful. And they are all woven bandhani. তাদের চিন্তা ভাবনা দেখুন, এগুলো সব weave করে করা হয়েছে এই বাঁধনির পোর্শনটা. It's all woven and such an attractive আঁচল. I wonder কিভাবে করেছে within this budget. 3,960 only for this. And look at the BP. BP is also very interesting. Look at this BP. This is only for 3,960. Such a beautiful one. Look at this. I'll again show you. So very good. These are all going for 3,960. Come to Keatala. We have lot of these sarees with us now. 3,960. These are my Dhoni-Khali ones. Number 7. 7 number shari dekhun. These are all block printed ones, made into a beautiful piece with the aachal like this. This is the cloth attached to the sari. They're all sewed. Shomosto shelai kora shari, and this is the block print section. This is number 7. Look at the number 7, and these are all on very comfortable breezy sarees. You're familiar with these sarees. This is going for 2350, dear. 2350 for my Dhoni-Khali mix match ones. Eta dekhun. A very smart one. Again on Dhoni-Khali cotton from Bengal. Very rich heritage Bengal. A Bangla shari porun. Look at this. This is number 8. Sari number 8. Bhalobeshe porun amader shari. Just send me a screenshot if you liked any of our products. This is number 8, and this is going for 2,400, dear. This sari is going for 2400 here. So, and this is the blouse section with the sari. 2400 for my Thone Khali mixed match ones. And this is the one. It has a color. This is number 9. All block printed. And this border is attached to enhance the beauty of the sari. Handloom. They're all handloom cloth. Look at the stylish one. The sari costs 2350 dear. 2350. And this blouse is there for that sari. And here are the fancy ones. I got this material. I thought I'll put some embroidery on that and make it into saris. So they have turned out very nice. So let me show you. This material we got. This is kind of little bit of mixed, to be very honest, but this gives a very comfortable look. This is the embroidery we have done. They are all hand embroidery. Hand embroidery on fancy tussar silk sari. Look at this. And the kantha border all throughout. Simple, some Parsi embroidery, hand ones. I got this material and I thought we'll carve it and just show you if you've liked, because they'll come within the budget 4500 for this sari, but the drape is good. I tried out once and I thought I'll make some saris with this. Look at this. This is very beautiful. 4500 for this. This kind of drape, so comfortable and good. 4500. 4500 for this sari. And the blouse piece is of the same color. We have tassels also. My karigar put some tassels for this. And very good beading. Very good beading. This is the one for 4500 dear. For casual wear we can always use, because these are all greenhouse embroidery. The embroidery work is done here. We got this material. Look at the sari. The bunches of flowers. They're all hand embroidered ones. Hand embroidery all throughout. Lovely peach, light peach. Beautiful one. At a very budget friendly price. For this sari is a heavy look sari, but the color is soothing, English color, all good color. So I thought I'll just make some embroidery on it and show you. I can make into good saris. 4200 for this piece. 4200. And the blouse section, look at this. This is the blouse section. On sleeves you can use this as sleeves. This is the beige one. The woven one. This is also come out nice. Look at this. So very beautiful. And very simple. Looks so dainty. This sari costs 4200 dear. So very beautiful. 4,200 only. Going for 4,200. So very beautiful. Look at the rings. The typical wreaths. But they're all hand embroidered. All needlework. There's no heaviness on the saree. And the blouse section. And the tassels again. This is my Karigar's additional effort. He's put all tassels. Look at this. This looks nice, pretty. Look at this. Yeah, this is a beautiful one. This is really a class one. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is on tassel. Look at this. Such a beautiful stylish side. It's a nice one. Come on, this is for 9,200 dear. Beautiful liquor. This is on tassel. And the blouse section. 9,200 for this piece. Such a beautiful piece. A gorgeous one for 9,200. This is a very difficult one. We made a very cute blocks we have designed. And this is the Katha inspired ones. The focus on the block. Such a, this we took a lot of time for designing this. This is the Katha inspired block. This is on Kosa tassel. Let me open the saree and show you. Lovely. Such a stylish one. This block is created. This is the Kosa tassel. This is the blouse section. And the part of it is like this. Look wise, it's like this. So very beautiful. A Kosa tassel. This goes for 9,000. Best of Kosa. This is for 9,000. Design like this. House. And this is that. There is so much demand. Last time we showed all of them gone, and now this is ready with us. One of my friends, she wanted to have this. Not sure she will watch or not. This is the saree. Look at this. There is the archel section. This is the corner. Hand embroidered French knot. This comes here. This is a Gachi tassel. And on the first pleat, there is a embroidery on the first pleat of the saree. saree costs 10,200 dear. 10,200 for this piece. Yeah, this is on again Kosa tussar. The suit grey one with a strawberry embroidery. এটাও দেখুন, এটাও খুব সুন্দর saree is styled like this. The saree is not on this is not on Kosa, this is on Gachi tussar. The embroidery goes like this with the strawberry done up, the Zane House designs. Number 16, saree number 16 goes like this. Saree number 16. Look at this design. 10,600. All on Gachi tussar. Oh, this is the one. This is all on Gachi tussar. Winter is there and I am showing all my Gachi tussars this time. Winter is approaching. There's a nip in the air. This is the one. Very rich maroon. And the embroidery. This is number 17 dear. Number 17. The saree is so rich. And you can just visualize the effect. Come down to Kalattala if you are at Calcutta. Visit us here. 9860 for this piece. 9860. 9860 for a beautiful drape. Piece of art. देखो, शाही का देखो भालो लगता है, effect. Indian complexion है तो ये शाही का wow. And this is a patent one, the pink one. Look at this embroidery, so rich. This is again on Gachi tussar. They're all on Bengal tussar. Look at the combination, we have used 10 colors in this. 10 color thread is used for this saree. Look at the embroidery, so beautiful. And this one Gachi tussar, again it has come with maroon weaving this time. The piping is maroon in color. Look at the density and uniformity and neatness of the Kashmiri embroidery. মেয়েরা করেছে বসে 12,600 দাম. So very effective, so very good. Beautiful Kashmiri work. Last time we tried out with blue piping, this time it's maroon in color. They're all for 12,600 going. 12,600. And the half the portion is like this. Blouse section is same body color. This is 12,600. And this royal blue. It's really royal. Look at the craftsmanship. This is the cut work, hand cut work. This is not the machine cut work, this is the hand cut work on this saree. Pearl. देखो এটা zero size moti লাগানো হয়েছে. We use zero size motis. This is the concept. The archel is heavily done up, and the beauty of the saree is the simple, small, narrow border. This is actually the look. This is the shoe. This is the saree number 20, and this costs 11,200 on Bangalore silk. All handwork, hand iron work. Like this, and the archel I've already shown you. It's wonderful. Look at this. So here goes the kani, and the kani one we got, but I am left with only one kani now. I'll get more and show you next time. This is on Katan silk. This saree is so rich, but I could sell the others, and this is the only piece left with me. Such a lovely one. This goes for 11,800, dear. Look at the work. And the palla part, oh, how rich. It's so comfortable. This is like saying, the color drape is so nice. Look at this, so gorgeous. This is 11,800. 11,800 piece. And the last one, and this is the black one with the dholki painting. Yeah, this is the one. So rich. The festivity is shown on the canvas. Canvas commercial. The material. This is number 22. Look at this. It looks so gorgeous when worn. And this kind of blouse. So beautiful. So that's all for today, dear. You've given me a lot of time. I've also given you time. It should work now. Thank you so much. Thank you.